Hey, what's going on? It's the Cat627 coming back at y'all with another video, and it's yet another cooking video. Today I'm making cheeseburgers. And so we've got all our stuff. We've also got a little bit of salad. We got all our stuff ready to make burgers. And so a little trick that I like to use is whenever you flip the burgers, you kind of give it a little bit of a stab with the spatula, and if the juice comes out clear, it's done. If it comes out red, it still needs a little bit of cooking to do. And another trick is that it should brown. But yeah, you already know me. I like my burgers with salt. That's a little bit. Oh shit. Oh, excuse me. Dropping the camera like that.
Now I'm supposed to trust you.
I like a little bit of kosher salt and a little bit of lemon pepper.
I did trust you. And I thought for someone who could be.
I also like a little bit of lemon pepper.
For someone that I could rely on in mission.
I've got this Oshie jersey on deck. I'm a little sour, but congratulations, TJ Oshie, on your Stanley Cup victory. Boxed up in this package. We're gonna cook all these burgers today. I like my burgers thick.
There's something wrong with it? Or not? It's not as good as Mom makes, I guess.
So I just add my salt.
You can't stop, John. You can't socialize. Don't talk to me. Go.
We're talking right now. So tell me, what do you want to talk about?
I want to know what happened to my husband.
Oh shit, that's a little too much pepper.
There are people who can help you. I don't know what it's like to come back for more.
You don't understand. You don't understand. Nobody understands. Do you hear me?
So make them understand.
Make them understand. Like this. You want to make them understand like that? How about like this? You want to know
So yeah, that's burgers.
Let me tell you. He called me.
You cook it, flip it, and stab it. If the juice is red, keep cooking it. You also want to cook the burger on 4 or 5-ish. Cook it on a low heat so that way you don't sear the outside and leave the inside raw. You want to keep the heat controlled.
Emergency. My husband has a gut.
And then bam, just go ahead and slap like 1 or 2 more in there.
Find anything on those arrows? This one is ours. This one is theirs. Don't you see the difference? Yeah, precisely. Very good.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
He goes.
Last year, Grace fiance was killed by mere food, and now he wants to protect the city, so he built a suit as military-grade technology. He wants to put you in jail, so he used my software to track you down, and he scanned you with his X-rays, and now he knows that you're the arrow, and he's gonna pull the box.
Mom knows I'm the arrow.
Yeah, and after touching raw hamburgers, you always want to wash your
When are you
hands.
gonna tell me this?
Hey, look, it's not important. Here's what
It
it
prevents
is.
cross-contamination.
They built the sewers.
I'll make another segment of this. Show y'all what I mean with this red blood sort of trick.